Listen, obviously mansions are pretty expensive, and today I'm going to cover the most expensive mansions in California. Welcome back to Luxury Lifestyle. Let's get into the video. Regularly ranking among the 10 largest GDPs globally and boasting easy connectivity and endless lifestyle options, California is an attractive real estate market for global investors, especially on the upper end of the spectrum. The flow of foreign money into LA's luxury real estate market became more pronounced after the 2008 housing crash, especially from investors from Southeast Asia, while tech tycoons continue to invest in rapidly appreciating Silicon Valley communities like Palo Alto, Los Altos, and Mountain View. They are also buying further south in LA County, where prices are skyrocketing. Here are the most expensive mansions in California. Number 5, 141 S. Carrollwood Drive, Los Angeles, $90 million. Originally built in 1936, this 12,000 square foot historic mansion in Holmby Hills had iconic status since its inception thanks to owners like Sonny and Cher, 20th Century co-founder Joseph Schneck, and actor Tony Curtis. Designed by Robert D. Farquhar, the building was the largest private home in Los Angeles upon its completion and was later expanded by adding 2 additional lots, one of which was owned by Jane Mansfield. Dubbed Owlwood Mansion, the legendary residence features extensive outdoor amenities like a pool and pool house, a sunken tennis court, and 2 guest homes, one of which was occupied by a young Marilyn Monroe. Number 4, 10644 Bellagio Road, Los Angeles, $94,940,000. Built by heiress and socialite Hilda Bolt Weber, Casa Encantada cost a whopping $2 million when it was finished in the late 1930s and features thousands of custom furnishings created by star designer T.H. Robs-John Gibbings, as well as lush gardens on its nearly 7.5 acres. But as the socialite's life took a tragic turn, Conrad Hilton picked up the property for less than 10% of its original price, living out the rest of his life in the opulent estate. Following Hilton's 1979 death, his family sold Casa Encantada for $12.4 million, making it the most expensive residential sale in U.S. history at the time. Now more commonly known as a Bellagio house, the estate sale yet another record in 2000, becoming the most expensive private residence ever sold in LA up until that point. Number 3, 10236 Charing Cross Road, Los Angeles, sale price $100 million. Probably one of the most well-known estates in the world, the Playboy Mansion was a common fixture of tabloids and TV ever since Hugh Hefner picked up the property in the 70s. One of the very few LA properties to boast a private zoo permit, the infamous 5.3-acre Party Estate was last purchased by Darren Metropoulos, son of billionaire investor Dean Metropoulos, in the most expensive residential state of 2016. Metropoulos also picked up the mansion next door to the Playboy Estate, also formerly owned by Hugh Hefner. Planning to join the 2 Arthur R. Kelly designed properties, Metropoulos entered a permanent protection covenant with the city of Los Angeles earlier this year, which will protect the Playboy Mansion from demolition in perpetuity, while allowing the new owner to thoroughly modernize and renovate the estate.
Ballroom is truly an entertainer's dream come true. You can seat 200 of your favorite.
Number 2, 22258 22310 Pacific Coast Highway, Malibu, sale price $110 million. Trading hands earlier this year, Hard Rock Cafe co-founder Peter Morton's former residence became the second priciest home ever to be sold in California. Picked up by energy tycoon Michael S. Smith and wife Iris, Malibu's most expensive home is located, unsurprisingly, on Billionaire's Beach. The sale of this nearly 7,000 square foot mansion is the most expensive residential transaction in Los Angeles County history. According to Business Insider, the properties on both sides of the 7-bed home are owned by Oracle founder Larry Ellison. The estate features a 4-bedroom main residence, 3-bedroom guest house, an infinity pool, and a private theater.
If you don't want to work and you do have...
Number 1, 360 Mountain Home Road, Redwood City, $117,500,000. The number 1 most expensive home to ever be sold in California and one of the all-time most expensive residential transactions in U.S. history. This 9-acre trophy estate was purchased by the telecom and investment billionaire Masayoshi Son, Japan's richest man at a net worth of around $22 billion. Located in Silicon Valley's Woodside, one of the most expensive neighborhoods in the country, the chart-topping estate features a 9,000 square foot main residence and a pool with a 1,000 square foot pool house. It also boasts a detached library, formal gardens, a tennis court, and a 360-degree views of the Woodside Mountains. It was designed by Alan Greenberg and previously owned by financer Tully Friedman. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.